Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking storage settings so you know where space is going. Open Settings, System, Storage, and inspect the drive breakdown. That tells you whether temp files or apps dominate. Next, run disk cleanup on C and include system files. This removes update caches and leftover installers. Finally, quickly uninstall large unused apps using Settings apps. Sort by size to remove the biggest offenders first. These steps free immediate space and reveal deeper issues to address next. Now perform deeper cleaning to reclaim durable space. Manually delete temp folders and run %temp%. Clear prefetch if needed, then reboot to release locked files. Move large personal files, photos, videos to an external drive or OneDrive. Turn on Files on Demand so placeholders save space, not full files. Enable Storage Sense in Settings and configure it to remove temporary files and old recycle bin items automatically. Once done, you'll reduce recurring growth and prevent sudden full drive behavior. Finish by optimizing and adjusting system files that consume space. Run disk defragment on HDDs or ensure trim for SSDs to maintain performance. If necessary, relocate or resize the page file and disable hibernation to remove hyperfill. This frees multiple GBs, but check RAM usage first. Finally, scan with a visual tool like WinDiarstat to spot hidden large files. If something still blocks space, boot to safe mode and repeat cleanup. That exposes locked files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.